Grow vegetables in small spaces. Balcony and container gardening. Do you live in an apartment or have limited outdoor space? Don't worry. You can still grow fresh vegetables right at home. In this video, I'll show you how to grow healthy vegetables in small spaces using containers and balconies. Start by choosing the right containers. You can use plastic pots, fabric grow bags, recycled buckets, or even old wooden crates. Make sure each container has good drainage holes at the bottom. Next, choose the right soil. Use a high-quality potting mix that is lightweight and drains well. Avoid using garden soil as it can become compacted in pots. Now, let's talk about vegetables that grow well in small spaces. Number 1 is tomatoes. Choose dwarf or cherry tomato varieties. They grow perfectly in containers and need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Number 2 is lettuce. It grows quickly and doesn't need deep soil. You can harvest the outer leaves while the plant keeps growing from the center. Number 3 is spinach. It thrives in cooler temperatures and grows fast in shallow pots. Water regularly and keep the soil moist. Number 4 is green chilies. These plants grow well in medium-sized containers and love sunlight. Just one plant can give you a steady supply of fresh chilies. Number 5 is radishes. They are quick-growing root vegetables that don't take much space. You can harvest them in just 3 to 4 weeks. Number 6 is mint. It spreads quickly, so it's best to grow it in a separate container. It needs regular watering and partial sunlight. Number 7 is carrots. Choose short or baby carrot varieties. They grow well in deep containers and need loose, well-draining soil. Number 8 is bell peppers. Like chilies, they need sun and regular watering. They grow upright and add color to your balcony garden. Number 9 is spring onions. You can regrow them from kitchen scraps. Just place the white bulbs in water until roots form, then plant them in a small pot. And number 10 is beans. Pole beans or bush beans grow beautifully in containers with a trellis or support. They are easy to grow and very productive. Water your plants consistently and make sure they get enough sunlight, ideally 4 to 6 hours a day. Add compost or organic fertilizer once every 2 weeks for healthy growth. With the right setup and care, even a small balcony can become your own vegetable garden. Growing your own food is satisfying, eco-friendly, and delicious. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy gardening tips and plant ideas.